Hi, this is Sara Levin, the Artful Inker. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and today I'm here to share one simple trick with you for creating a layer for a piece that you have die cut, that there isn't a die for. So I have cut using the Tasteful Labels dies. I've got this piece of Whisper White, and I'd like a background layer for that. And so I'm going to take my die, and I've got a little bit of washi tape on it, and I'm just going to place my die on this piece of old olive, and let's tape this down. Any sort of temporary tape would work fine. Sometimes I do it with no tape at all, but then you run the risk of your piece slipping, and all you're going to do is carefully trace the outline of the die, and then let's remove this and grab our scissors and cut right around, right on that pencil line, and you're turning the paper as you round those corners. You don't need to have your scissors close all the way on each cut. You'll have a smoother cut if you do it in smaller bits instead of trying to take a full chomp each time with the scissors. It looks like I've left myself just a little bit of a point there, but then as you can see, I've got a nice layer for my die cut label. And that's it. My one simple trick. Give this video a thumbs up, and then subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell if you'd like to be notified the next time I upload a video. This was Sara Levin, the Artful Inker. Have a great day.